Hi, how are you? I'm Chris. Welcome back to another artificial intelligence video. Today we're going to try out one of the most viral things and one of my favorites, which is turning people into anime characters, movie characters, and so on. We're going to do several characters that are currently on the big screen, like Toy Story and Spider-Man, and we're going to see how it turns out, whether we like it or not. Let's see what comes out of this. So let's get started. Roll the video. For number one, we're going to transform ourselves in the Toy Story style, which is one of my favorite childhood movies. So let's see what happens. Let's open this up here and share the screen. ChatGPT, all right? And maybe this is one of the most famous transformations. I've been looking into it, and it's really viral to watch, to share, to turn yourself into a Toy Story character. So let's paste the next prompt. Let's put it in. Transform this photograph into a 3D character inspired by the style of the classic animated toy movie with expressive eyes, cinematic lighting, and a friendly appearance. The photo, we need to upload a photo. In my case, I only have one here. Let's check the desktop. This specific photo, and let us take a moment to see exactly what it creates for us right here. While it's already working as usual, this kind of style really changes the expression of the face. It tends to make the eyes bigger and softens the features. It looks like it has a magical touch, like something out of an animated movie. So we'll see what it does with the face, because it doesn't look realistic, but rather something more surreal. Oh my, look, we already have what I was telling you about. The first thing I mentioned is that it makes the eyes really big. It looks like me. It's clear that it looks like me. I mean, it's got my style, my same tattoos and everything. But for example, imagine if you said, okay, I want it, but I also want it to be set in the world of Toy Story. Here is my image placed directly into a classic scene from the Toy Story movie. Let's see. Let's just wait and see what it actually does now. It can't really give us an exact example of what we want right away, so we have to be patient with the results. It's because it violates the rules, okay? Because in the end, it's third-party content, and it can't do it exactly like that. You can simulate what I mentioned, like inspired by this or that, more of a conceptual aspect. What we could actually do is have it generate this same image, but in another, well, this same one in a field of flowers. Just so you know, it's true that when there are licenses involved, it can't inspire you. But it simply can't make a perfectly identical and exact copy, okay? Let's see what other interesting features we can find here. By the way, if you really enjoy watching these kinds of fascinating artificial intelligence videos, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like for more videos like this, and leave a comment. If you happen to have any creative ideas that we could potentially try out, then let's go ahead and move right on to option number 2. Which would be to create a superhero inspired by Spider-Man. Let's see if it lets us. We're going to use a prompt that will allow us to do it. But anyway, let's give it a try. Let's see. Let's figure out what we can put. So here we keep using the same image, not to create an image, no. In this case, we already have the image. We upload the image, and the prompt we would use here. Let's see if it works. In this case, it would be transform this photograph into a superhero inspired by Spider-Man with a modern suit, a cinematic atmosphere, and a hyper-realistic style. All right? Let's see what it does for us. It's very important that the prompt is very precise, because as we said, since there are licenses and third parties involved, it's very easy for it not to copy exactly what you want. For example, when I told it, make this image like Toy Story, exactly. No, yes, it can do it for you. Set in, but I also don't include the word Toy Story. You have to write something like a cowboy made of toys, that kind of thing, okay? So you know, there are things that, yes, are limited, okay? The same thing happened to us as before. By using the word Spider-Man, we're breaking a rule. So transform this cover art into a superhero inspired by... let's try, man. A dapper spider, wearing a formal suit. modern, because if I say Spider-Man, it might not understand. Well, let's tell it. Transform this photograph into a superhero inspired by a woman in a modern suit in a hyper-realistic style. Like, I don't know, let's see what it does with this. I mean, we're figuring this out as we go, because when you use license names, it doesn't let us. Let's see what it comes up with using the text I gave it, so you don't think I'm making it up. Look, we actually have a photo similar to a Spider-Woman, inspired by me, okay? Here's the final result. It didn't make Spider-Man exactly, but it's really cool. Also, I really liked it. And in the landscape one, everything is top-notch. In the end, it took some effort, but we got what we wanted. The truth is, as you can see, sometimes it's not easy. People often think you just go into the AI and get what you want in a minute. Sometimes that's true, but sometimes it's not. Sometimes you have to go around in circles until you really get what you want, okay? So what did you think of this image? Personally, I think it's fantastic. In fact, I'm going to save both of them, because both this one and the other one, which I have a bit further up, I found really beautiful. Honestly, I'm sticking with the Spider-Man one. Which one do you prefer, the Toy Story one or this Spider-Man one? I'd love to know your opinion in the comments. And as always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And of course, we'll see each other in more videos like this one and others. If you have more ideas, leave them in the comments and we'll see each other in another video. See you later. Kisses.